Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. All right. I'm plugging in 3 in for the x. You have to do the exponents before you can do multiplication. Exponents before multiplication. 9 times 2 is 18. And then 3 minus 2 is doing the parentheses before the multiplication, which is 4 times that guy. So that's 1 times 4. Oh, there it is. So 14. Over here, you have to do what's inside the parentheses first. So that's a big fat 2 squared. So I did parentheses and then the exponent squared. I'm inside these parentheses still. So that's 4 plus the 2 gives me the 6. So it's 8 minus the 6 minus 2. And it's 8 minus 6 minus another 2 is 0. This one, back up a little bit. There we go. That's an x squared. So that means it's x times x is x squared. So that's the x, the x, the x, the x. Same thing up here. Y times y gives me y squared. But I had to subtract this 1 since this distance is 1. This distance is x, so I have y minus that x gives me y minus x. Y minus the x gives me y minus x. And I just combine the like terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Minus 1, 2 gives me the 10x for the perimeter, which is distance all the way around. Y is 4y. 1, 2, 3 ones minus the 1 is 2. So there's my perimeter, the distance all the way around. Area is just what's inside. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x squareds, 1 y squared, and 1, 1. Find two numbers that are 7 apart. Well, 10 and 10 plus 7 is 17. 25 plus 7 is 32. And they multiply together to be 744. So 10 times 17 is 170. It's too small. Guess 25 and 32. That's 800. Too big. So I guess 24. And 7 more is 31. Multiply them together. That's 744. Then, of course, you answer the question. Combine the like terms. All the squared ones are alike. So I just add them together. The negative 5, the 1, don't forget that's a 1 in front, the negative 8, the negative 9, that's how you get the negative 21 x squared. Now you look at all the x's. Add them together, and you get negative 24x. All the ones that don't have anything, like the 15 and the 5, gives you 20. I found the area of that rectangle because I drew a line down here. It's 40 by 10. Base times height gives me 400. Area of this rectangle is, if that's 10, the whole thing's 50. So this piece from here to here has to be 40. 50 minus 10. So that's 40 by this height is 15. Because this is 25, that's 40. And that gives me 15. Multiply them, 600. I just have to subtract out this triangle. Well, it's 15 tall. 10 is the base, times a half. 1/2 base times height is the area of a triangle. Add them, subtract.